Let's go Tobago. Well, I don't really see it now. So I just arrived and I can already tell how gorgeous it is here. I can hear the waves, I can see the hills and the ocean. I could cry right now. It's such a beautiful apartment. I really spoiled myself with this one because I thought, you know, before I get back to work, I deserve some luxury. So I booked this really nice apartment for myself. But guys, I'm so happy right now. You should see this. It's too dark to capture on camera, but you can see it a little bit. Tomorrow morning when I wake up, this is gonna be incredible. Absolutely incredible. I am the luckiest girl and the most blessed person in the whole universe. I feel so happy. The drive was so nice. The island feels so amazing. The energy when you come here is so calm but fun. I can't wait to be here. I'm already here, but I can't wait to just spend time here and to see it during the day because I arrived at night and I already love it. So I have no words. I just have no words. So this is the morning view. I absolutely cannot believe my eyes right now. I have never seen something like this in my life. I am stunned. I slept for like 12 hours and now I'm gonna find some food and coffee. Being a vegetarian in the Caribbean means lots of cheese and fries. definitely live here for sure. So I had a very nice day. I took a long swim in the sea. I walked around Castara a little bit, chatted with the people. Finally got some food, which was quite difficult today because I was either too late or too early. Did some groceries, and now I'm just enjoying the beautiful view. I'm contemplating if I'm gonna go to the bonfire tonight because there's gonna be a bonfire on the beach, but I'm so tired. I am like not sure if it's a good idea, especially when I'm tired. I don't feel like socializing, but it's a small town. Everyone knows each other, so you have to socialize. You cannot show up there as a stranger and then be like, no, don't talk to me. And that's also what I don't want to do. I don't want to do that. I want to meet the people. I want to talk to people. But I'm contemplating if I have the energy for it because, as I told you before, I need my hermit days. And yeah, but it also feels like a little bit of a shame to not go to the bonfire because I think it's only once a week and I'm leaving next week before it is again. So I'm also still trying to figure out if I can rent a car and if that's a good idea or not. I'm not sure if I'm confident enough to drive here, but I'm just gonna sit on it, pray on it, and believe that whatever works out is the best for me. So we'll see what happens for the rest of the night and if anything will happen at all. But otherwise, just sitting here looking at this amazing, amazing view is already more than enough. Like, I still can't believe my eyes. I feel like I have to pinch myself constantly to be like, is this a real place? I only see places like this in my dreams and now I'm here. And I get to see so much more. I'm so happy I got that tattoo, give thanks, because that's what I'm feeling every second of the day. It's just, I don't even need a reminder. It's not even a reminder. It's just a confirmation of what I already feel. This is the bonfire. This is gonna be the bonfire. I'm 1.5 hours late, but apparently still too early. So this is how lucky I am. I get to light the fire. That's enough? Thank you. Here you go. Can I film you? The fireman. There's gonna be a big bonfire. Fell down, but it's still nice. The second one.
Oh, everybody likes it.
So today I am working because when you are a nomad, you also have normal life responsibilities. So it's not just a holiday. But I am not complaining because I'm working for myself and I'm working from here. Like, this is the best office in the world. So my neighbor just showed me this, my video on his phone. There's stingrays in there, so I'm gonna come back for them later. Yeah, so my friend came to visit me
From Trinidad.
from Trinidad.
How did we reach here?
In Tobago, Castara. So they're cleaning the fish. Time to feed the stingrays. Oh, there they are. Oh, that's a small one. It's a baby. Hello. No. They're so close. Wow. There are like 4 here.
Go towards the pond.
Yes. Hello. What do you see? Wow. Oh, 3. 4. There are 4 of them together here. Wow. That's amazing. Paradise. Hello. Wow. You're coming real close.
Couple weeks ago, I really wanted to do
Yeah.
that. She went to pool, but she was going on pool. You see me out there, she saw 2 and she
Yes,
actually
she's
ran away.
surrounded by them, yeah.
And she came out here. She grabbed some for bread. She like, no. So she got to hold her up.
I think heaven will look like this. Hello. So I couldn't be bothered to film myself and talk to the camera the past 2 days because I've been quite tired from going out and about because we had so much fun at the party. I was supposed to go for an hour, but then you start chatting with people. It's so much fun. They keep handing you drinks. So eventually we arrived at like 2. And yesterday was just a nice chill day. My friends came to visit me, and today I slept in. I did some work yesterday also, and today I'm just gonna snorkel around this area because I thought, you know, I can go explore the rest of the island, which I will be doing, but look where I'm staying. So it's also okay to just be here, you know. So now I'm gonna go swim from here to there. I have my snorkel and my flippers, and I have like this waterproof bag. So I'm just gonna be swimming from the small bay to the big bay, relax here, go to the bakery, and then tonight have some idols too, and just have a chill day and finish some more work, and maybe show my face on the camera if I feel like it, or not, because this is much prettier. Here we are, gonna swim from this side to that side, and let's see if we see the stingrays. The drone is filming me. Oh, breadfruit.
What's your name?
Sumaya.
I am Alibaba.
Nice to meet you. Alibaba, I'm from Egypt. That sounds
Egypt,
familiar.
you really have that Egyptian color.
Yeah.
That nice tan, beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
You are far away from home.
Yes.
Welcome to Castara.
Thank you. Well, this feels more like home.
Yes, I am the king of roast fish and roast breadfruit.
I can see that.
And we have some roast tuna. We have some roast breadfruit on the grill.
Love that.
And this is authentic Tobago food.
Yes.
You
for
don't get
sure.
this anywhere just like that.
No.
Yeah.
Roasted breadfruit. Are these the cheese pie? Eating a super nice coconut tart pie, whatever. Words cannot describe how I am feeling right now. I just swam from the one side to the other side, going through like the rocks and seeing big stingrays around me, and it's like a thrill but also so peaceful, and then I just chilled on the beach. Life feels surreal right now, and this is how I want my life to be always. This is so beautiful. So I just got out the shower after a magical day, and look at my background. Like, how is this place real? Wow. So today was really amazing. I swam from the little bay to the big bay area. I have like my gear that makes it possible to take my wallet, my keys, and like put my phone in a case. And I swam to the big bay, and then I looked up and I heard like this bzzz. And it was a drone, but it's my neighbor. Like, he's in the apartment next to me and he has a drone, and he saw me get into the water, and then he filmed me with the drone, which is how I got the amazing shots. And that's really amazing because I don't plan my activities to film. I don't think of, oh, what should I film today? I'm just living my life and filming that and trying to just show you what let me sit down. And just show you what I'm basically doing in my daily life as a nomad who's traveling the Caribbean and South Central America. Because I'm not filming content as in, oh, look at this island and this is what you can do here and blah 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 blah. It's more that I'm just sharing my life basically, and how my day-to-day looks like and who I meet along the way if I film. So that's basically what I'm doing. And today was just my lucky day that my neighbor had the drone to film. And Castara is absolutely amazing. I've been here now for 3 days and I just can't really believe my eyes every time I walk outside on my balcony. I'm like, is this even a real place? Because this looks like what I've only seen in movies basically. The people are super friendly. The nature is stunning, and I could easily spend like these 8 days just in Castara. But I was like, no, I want to see more of Tobago. So the next couple of days, I'm also going to be exploring the rest of Tobago. So I'm not just going to be here, but I could easily just be in this bubble of Castara and just stay here for 8 days until I go to Medellin. That's also because my social battery is running very, very low, if not already depleted. And I kind of booked this place because I thought it was gonna be like my hermit time, so I could just come to myself, enjoy nature. But my neighbor is awesome, so we're spending a lot of time together. He's my neighbor, so you can imagine how that goes. The people in the village are super welcoming, and there's something to do like Thursday, Saturday is now Saturday. Tomorrow we're going Charlottesville if everything works out. So I'm just socializing so much. So I'll leave my hermit time for Medellin, Colombia, hopefully. No, not hopefully. I will lock my door for 3 days, and for 3 days I will just stay inside, put my phone on airplane mode, and recharge, because I love people. Everyone I meet is amazing. I'm not complaining, but my social battery is like, it keeps blinking like you're empty, you're empty, you're empty, but I keep going. And I'm okay. It's a good problem to have, you know. But yeah, I do notice that I do need some hermit time. But yeah, my life is just great. I'm super, super thankful as always, because this is absolutely amazing. And the stingrays, like swimming along the stingrays was so scary but so cool. And then you come out of the water and you look around and you see the Bay of Castara, and I have no words. Like, and the videos are gorgeous, but it still doesn't do it justice. Like, seeing this with your own eyes, I'm so, so, so blessed. I'm so blessed, and I will definitely be back. And I feel like I'm saying that about every place I go to, but you know what? I might just go back to every place. So, well, that was it. Enjoy, or you already enjoyed. This is the end of the video, I think. Anyways, thank you for watching my life, basically, and thank you Tobago and the beautiful people of Castara. It's really, really amazing here, and I can't wait to see the rest of the island. So this is also part of it, working late in bed, because I forgot that I had a really great opportunity for my business, and I had to hand in something for that. And it's like 12 already, and that's part of it too, because I have to sustain myself and trying to build a business as well, and trying to earn money so I don't have to go back to the Netherlands and go back into the rat race of just getting a job and a house and to sustain this life for myself. So here I am in my beautiful room, trying to finish some work so that I can explore tomorrow without feeling stressed, because I'm traveling and I'm on holiday, but I'm also still trying to live and sustain myself. I'm not going back to no house, I'm not going back to an income, I don't have an income, so we have to do what we gotta do. And I'm really happy because the last year I've been working really hard on discipline, and I really have good discipline now. But sometimes it's still hard, but we're still doing it.